Here you are at Nordstrom Tysons Corner Center, Tysons, Virginia. We have some very amazing Montgomery attractions. Launch indicator. We'll switch cars down at one. These are nice. Send you away. This one actually has a bell. Let's listen to the motor. Ooh. That motor. Look at the cab view going down. Pretty nice. Basic Nordstrom cab. Capacity 4,000 pounds. These are your Innovation Universal fixtures. Yeah, these are Innovation. One ended up on 3. Launch indicator going up. Send that away. And watch it close. And that'll be it.